Guys, I want to ask you something. What is the importance of venturing out to your hobbies and your passions apart from your career?
Wow, with a hard-hitting
Thank you
question.
for thank you for the wonderful question. I believe that
This universe.
that it is important to do your hobbies outside of your work to prevent burnout.
Exactly,
Diba?
exactly.
Burnout and
We
to know
have-
more about yourself.
Exactly, and we have to have a life outside of work. That be it may be sports or spending time with our family or friends. But what about you?
Yeah, I agree. Because I feel like some people make their careers their life.
Exactly.
Which, there's nothing wrong if you love your career so much. But guys, there's a life outside of that. We need our careers to live, but we live for the arts.
That's exactly.
Right?
Why?
That's why we're here right now.
That's a
But yes,
quotable
and it
quote.
also informs the other things that you do. Like, kunyari, if you read, it informs the way you speak or like the way you write.
Yes, yes. And now it's such a trend about to join run clubs or like
yeah.
tennis
Yes.
clubs. So it's nice to have that feel of like being able to touch some grass, di ba?
And ikaw ba, what's your hobby?
Hobbies, well, I've always loved sports growing up. So as you guys know, I'm a volleyball player. But I recently have been getting into tennis, swimming. So a lot of, I'm trying to expand my athleisure.
Ay, parang nandun na kami sa part na athleisure. As in yung damit pa lang kami, nasa athleisure pa lang.
Oo nga eh. So,
What about you guys? Anong mga pinagkakaabalahan nyo?
Well, actually, I've been trying to get active as well. So, I've been trying to consistently go to the gym. But I enjoyed swimming when I was taking it up as an elective. So, from time to time, I take it up for cardio. So, I love
yes,
swimming.
cardio is
And
important,
I don't like
yeah.
running eh.
Ah, yeah, isa pa yan. That's another trend, marathons,
Yeah,
di
but I
ba?
don't like
Speaking
it.
of running, yun naman yung tinry ko this time.
yeah.
Because I have always loved walking. Like, lagi kong sinasabi, I love walking. Yung sa interview pa lang natin, like, yung sa video pa lang na sinend natin, like, 10 facts about me, I love walking. Kasi it clears my mind. Makes me sane talaga.
Exactly. With what you said, di ba, parang it's like a de-stress from work also.
But right now, I tried running and I just did my first running event nung February. Tapos, dun ko nalaman na I can run 7 km.
Exactly.
Sobrang fun. And I wanna do it consistently this year.
Yes.
Yeah,
This
also
is
wanna
the
try
year
swimming.
to keep trying and exploring new things.
Exactly.
That's true. And what an achievement for all of us as well to try and explore other things outside of work and find ourselves in these hobbies. And I think this is the same thing for our headliner because this is someone who dabbles in a lot of things outside of his career in music. But Gen Mix, first and foremost, of course, hey guys, I'm VJ Ea.
And I am VJ Kring.
And I'm VJ Ozzy, and welcome to the ultimate Gen Mix experience. This is
Mix Now! Gen Mix, for 5 years, we have seen our headliner as a soulful vocal anchor for one of the most popular groups in the Philippines, the Aces of P-Pop, BGYO, and today, we're putting the spotlight solely on him. So we're gonna peel back the layers of this powerhouse vocalist to get to know more the man behind the high notes. So please welcome the powerhouse main vocalist of BGYO, the one and only BGYO JL!
Grabe. Nakakatuwa naman yung intro nyo sa akin. Parang sa buong buhay ko, first time kong ma-introhan ng ganun.
You're
Of
welcome.
course, because you're the powerhouse. You're the special guest of tonight.
Yes,
But of
exactly.
Behind the
Exactly.
high note.
Okay, first things first. Greet Gen Mix. Alam mo na yan.
Hi Gen Mix, ako si BGYOJL. So mag-isa lang ako ngayon. Wala yung apat kong kasama. Kaya eto na yung chance para i-backstab ko sila lahat. Joke lang.
That's what we wanna hear.
Support namin.
We live for
Gusto
the
malaman yung mga ano nila, yung mga...
Ay, wow.
But of course, JL, welcome back to the Mix Studio. As we know, you've been here together with the rest of the group, but today you are here solo. So how does it feel when you realize that you're walking in today as solo and not as a group for the first time?
Excited ako kasi yung mga ganitong klaseng interviews, yung syempre lagi kaming magkakasama sa group. So dito mas mapapakilala namin yung sarili namin, syempre. Kasi yun, sa akin lang sila mag-focus, hindi sa iba. Kasi baka mamaya hindi ako napapansin pag nasa group Nagtampo.
Ang iyong spotlight.
Nagtampo, hindi. Yun, siguro refreshing din kasi nagkaroon ako din ng podcast last time with Coach Pia and sobrang daming natuwa sa mga sinabi ko doon. Meron din mga sense pala yung mga sinasabi ko kahit papaano.
Grabe naman.
Confirm. Malalaman natin ka today.
Yes, huwag kang mag-alala. Bibigyan ka namin ng special treatment. Padagdag nga po ng lights dito.
Yeah.
Lahat nila. Yes. Pero at first, congratulations din because BGYO released Fresh. No, right as you celebrated your 5th anniversary.
Thank you.
Una sa lahat, may tanong na agad kami sa'yo.
Yeah, go.
So, like, why do you think this is the right song to signal a new era of BGYO?
Siguro ito nga yung perfect na song kasi nga since New Year, so we want fresh music, fresh song. So, nirelease namin to. Sinulat to ni Mickey and gusto namin iparating dito na gusto lang namin ipakilala kung sino kami. Kasi sa mga mga previous songs namin, mostly mga love songs, mga inspirational songs. So dito, gusto lang namin i-share kung sino kami, kung ano na yung narating namin sa 5 years namin na pagsasama. And syempre, gusto rin namin i-share sa lahat na para maipakilala mo yung sarili mo, kailangan mo talaga i-build yung confidence mo.
Right, for sure.
And halatang halata siya with the music kasi ang angas talaga, bro.
Yeah.
Pero ang angas talaga, bro. Nahawa ko
talaga,
sa
bro.
Ang angas, bro.
Angas talaga.
Pero ano ba yung parang special participation mo dito? Ano yung special part mo dito?
Ano lang, nagpakit-pakit lang ako nung habang ginagawa yan.
Very on
Kasi-
brand.
Oo,
Very
Yes,
on brand.
effortless
nakakagano
na
lang.
yun, yung pakit mo.
Siguro, hindi naman lang dito sa Fresh. Sa lahat ng songs namin, siguro talagang hands-on kami when it comes to choreo, sa lyrics, sa promotion, sa lahat. Kumbaga lahat kami may say, lahat kami may insight. So pinagsasama-sama lang namin yun. Kaya yan yung kinakalabasan. So ending, gusto namin lahat talaga. Yun talaga yung pinakamahalaga. Once na nagre-release kami ng bagong song, gusto namin lahat, like ng management kami. So para masaya lahat once na na-release na siya.
Kasi it represents you eh.
Oo.
Yeah, I mean, this is
Yes.
also the perfect opportunity to embrace your individuality as
Yes.
BGYO.
Sarili
True.
mo.
Main character lang. But even before this main character message ng Fresh, also during your BGYO Now concert, nagkaroon din kayo ng solo stages kasi.
Yes.
So, diba, 5 years into the career, you were able to have your first concert as a group in which you performed as a balladeer. Yes. So, diba? So, kamusta naman yung
Balladeer.
experience when you were able to perform, especially in front of the Aces, your own stage?
Feeling ko isa ako sa sobrang excited kasi nga 'di ba galing akong bilang kontesero ganyan. So na-miss ko yung solo stage na kumakanta lang, na hindi sumasayaw, nakaupo lang. Tapos yung song din na pinerform ko is malayo dun sa pine-perform namin ng BGYO. So naalala ko lang yung dating ako, yung batang ako, na ang sarap din balikan, ang sarap ipakita yung side ko na yun sa Aces.
Oh, so parang naging may inner child.
Yeah, wow.
Oh,
Inner child. Healing the inner child.
Healing the child before. Your past self. So you
tama.
brought back that image of
Yes.
yourself na siguro hindi nakita din ng bagong Aces. Na you were a contesero before.
Yes.
Oh, so nakakatuwa. Actually, nandun din kami ni VJ Ella during that concert. So,
Akala ko
nag-aabang kami.
magko-contest ako, nandun
Eh,
ka.
Actually, oo.
We go way back
Meron
pala.
pa akong video.
Naging
kaya
judge
pala,
siya
kaya
doon.
pala
Hindi mo lang alam.
Kaya
Ay,
pala
nako.
natalo ako.
Kaya pala
eh.
natalo. Actually, confirmed. No, but also with your singing style, usually you
Yes.
have some killing parts yung mga birit. Kinakabahan ka pa ba? Or anong nararamdaman mo before ka ibirit mo na yan on stage?
Lagi akong kinakabahan kasi ako talaga hindi ko masasabi na sobrang taas ng boses ko. Siguro may technique lang ako dahil sa experiences. Pero kinakabahan ako lagi pag maghihit ako ng high notes kasi minsan pumipiyok talaga ako. So, yun pa naman yung pinaka-nightmare ng mga singers na pag pumiyok ka sa harap ng maraming tao. Kasi ang hirap mag-recover nun. Parang gusto mo na lang lumubog sa lupa pag pumiyok ka.
Gets.
So yun, kinakabahan pa din ako.
And you mentioned this is basically vocal health, diba? So
Yeah.
how do you take care when you're like preparing for something like such a powerhouse moment na medyo kasi may kabayan na parang kailangan di ako pumiyok dito. Tapos minsan, the more you think about it,
Lalo
the
siya
more
mangyayari.
intense will
Totoo
happen,
yan,
diba?
totoo yan. Bago mag-perform is syempre, nire-ready ko lang yung sarili ko. Hindi na ako umiinom ng malamig na tubig. Tsaka hindi na ako masyado nagsasalita. Mas okay na mag-vocal rest ka muna. Tapos, warm-ups. Yung warm-up sa vocals. So,
Ano to, yung mga do, re, mi.
yung ano,
Ang ganda na yun.
yung mga,
Oh, kaya mo yun.
Kaya niya yun,
Wag na,
kaya niya
no,
yun.
no, no, no.
sobrang
Baka
importante
pumiyok, baka
talaga
pumiyok.
para maging open yung vocal cords.
Yeah, yeah.
But we're talking about your warm-ups, yung mga, kung paano mo i-channel yung mga good voice, yung mga high notes. Ngayon, gusto namin itanong din, how do you channel naman your painful emotions when you sing? Kasi sabi ng mga fans mo, you have this style na mapanakit ka talaga.
For sure, umabot
You
yun sa'yo,
are,
di ba?
emotional when you sing.
Actually, lagi sinasabi sa akin yan na mapanakit daw ako kumanta, ganun, ganun. Siguro kaya sinabi nilang mapanakit. Habang kumakanta ako, nananakit talaga ako sa...
Kaya pala. Noted.
Hindi ba? Siguro pag hindi ako malungkot, iniisip ko na lang, limbawa, habang kumakanta ako, iniisip ko na lang na may yung mga utang ko, gano'n. So,
So nalulungkot ka din talaga.
Nakakalungkot talaga yun.
Oo, nakaka-depress siya.
ewan ko kasi siguro nung bata pa ako, parang na-introduce ako ng family ko. Kasi halos buong family ko kumakanta talaga. So sobrang normal na sa amin mag-video okay. Na sa lahat ng occasion, lahat bigyan mo ng may kakanta. So, ayun, napapakinggan ko lahat ng mga kinakanta ng mga tito ko, ng mga pinsan ko. So, growing up, yun na yung nakasanayan kong pakinggan tsaka kantahin. So, yung mga ballad songs na mga masasakit, yung mga talagang
Kahit di ba pa
emotional
na-experience.
songs. Kahit hindi pa na-experience.
At 12 years old, kumakanta ka ng pang broken hearted.
Well, ba to? 10 years old.
Jael, I'm so curious. You mentioned your family is a family of singers.
Yes, yes.
Would you say that singing is a natural ability, or is it like something that you could work on as you grow older?
I would say yes. Kasi yung singing kasi, naaaral siya. Pero yung talent as a singer, parang natural talent siya. Parang gift siya. Na pwede kang pwede mo siya matutunan. Pero hindi, ewan ko sa akin lang, sa mga nakikita ko. Pwede mo siya matutunan, pero hindi yung singling ng mga natural singers.
So wala na pala talaga akong chance.
Wala talaga.
Meron pa din.
Ayaw pala ng talent.
Yes.
Meron pa
Survey,
din. Pero
survey.
yun nga, feeling ko natural talent talaga
Gets.
siya.
Yeah.
Oo, iba din yung gift talaga of
Oo.
singers who were kind of born good singers. Like, they're able to portray certain emotions. May certain soul
Yes.
yung boses nila. Kaya we only wish that we could.
Nasa jeans ba yun? Sama naman. Pero yes, more about your music. Kasi diba, aside from your concerts, mga live performances, we also witnessed your musical prowess. And Tabing Ilog, the music, congratulations naman. So parang curious lang din kami, how does being a theater guy differ from being a P-pop guy? From being someone from a P-pop group?
Sobrang hirap niya. Kasi, ako kasi, like yung natural talking voice ko, like mababa, mahina. Kahit madaldal ako, ganun ako magsalita. Pero sa theater kasi, kailangan laging malakas yung boses mo. Kailangan mo i-project palagi na kailangan, to the point na kailangan mapakinggan ng mga nasa dulo. Hindi naman ganun yung natural voice ko. So, lagi ako napapaos. Every time na sumasalang ako, after, paus ako. May time na parang magkakasunod yung shows ko. So, yung una, maganda yung performance ko. Sa mga next, hirap na ako magsalita, hirap na din ako kumanta. Sa singing, hindi naman ako nahirapan kasi nga, yun, yung mostly sa mga songs ng theater, mga ballad din, gano'n. So, hindi ako dun sobrang na-challenge. Dun talaga sa pagsasalita, sa pag-project ng boses.
How was the training different? No?
Yeah, I
From,
was
di ba?
curious.
Kasi parang different talaga siya. 2 worlds apart talaga siya.
Dun talaga sobrang, Di ba yung training namin is more on conditioning, like sa sayaw, kailangan mo lang i-build yung stamina mo. Dun sa theater kasi kailangan precise lahat, like yung i-memorize mo yung mga script, tapos hindi lang yung script yung i-memorize mo, yung blockings, tapos yung expressions, yung actions, lahat kailangan i-practice mo sa isang ano. So, mas mahirap siya. Mas kailangan ng maraming time para ma-master mo lahat. Tapos, syempre, dun sa theater, live yun. So, hindi ka pwedeng magkamali. Kung magkamali ka man, kailangan alam mo kung paano mo siya sasaluhin.
Yeah, on the spot.
True, actually. It's pretty hard. I feel like it's different.
Sobra. As in, may ilang beses ako nag-breakdown dahil doon.
Talaga?
Kasi may time na parang feeling ko hindi ko nabibigay yung best ko. May time na hindi ako sinalang agad. Kasi feel nila hindi pa ako ready. So doon, grabe, nasaktan talaga ako kasi
Oo,
nag-breakdown
gets
ako.
naman.
Pero after nun, nung tapos na ako mag-breakdown, parang okay, parang
Lalaban ako.
mas na-motivate na ako.
Makes you stronger, eh, no?
Yeah, learning curves. But ito, JL, hindi ka lang kilala bilang mapanakit. Because you're also known
Ang dami
as the
namang
group
ano sa akin.
Ang dami
Ano
pang
pa?
kilala sa'yo.
of the Republic of Microphone for being the loudest in the group. So you also have a secret talent for animal impressions. Can we get a glimpse of this?
Ewan ko na, bakit ang daming ano?
Ang dami namin
Tawag.
alam about
Talented
you.
kasi.
Ang dami mong monikers.
Ang daming monikers. Yung isa animal impressions, ako kasi sa sobrang ano, hilig ko mag-observe sa mga bagay. Parang kusa ko na lang siyang na-adopt,
Ay,
like
wow.
nagagaya ko.
Yes,
Parang
yes.
nagagaya ko na
Absorbent
lang
ka
siya.
pala.
The onomatopoeia.
Na-absorb ko na lahat. So, alam mo yan, yung hindi ko naman siya gustong aralin, pero kusa ko lang siya
Galing naman.
nakukuha.
Kusa, natural talaga.
Parang parang.
Oo, siguro.
Parrot.
Baka ganun.
O, pasama.
Ano
Ano
kaya?
ba yung mga animal
Hindi, hindi,
impressions
sige,
na
magbigay
yan?
ka ng sound, tapos i-guess namin yung animal.
Okay. Oh, game.
Bird.
What kind of bird? Maya.
Ay, parang galing. Wait, close your eyes.
Close your eyes, parang ka na nung sa forest.
Alam niyo yung alam niyo yung binubunot na sisiu?
Oh my God!
Yung may mga iba-ibang colors.
Ang galing, ang accurate niya.
You also grew up singing Eric Santos. Yun nga, kagaya ng sinabi mo kanina, balladeer song. So, classic OPM ballad. So, paano ba yung journey from being a balladeer to mastering the high energy choreo of P-pop?
Sobrang challenging. Aside sa balladeer ako before, hindi ako dancer. Hindi ako sumasayaw at all, as
So you
in
had to pick
zero.
that up pa.
Kailangan
Revelation.
ko talagang maging dancer, hindi lang kailangan matuto. Kailangan ko maging dancer. So, nung nakita ko si Nate tsaka Jello, parang doon ko nakita na parang, ito pa, pagpatuloy ko pa ba ito? Parang gusto ko na mag-quit. Kasi,
Gets.
syempre, pag nakita mo yung talagang dancer na tapos nagko-compete pa, parang may inggit ka tapos parang, paano yun? Paano nila ginagawa yun? Pero maintindihan mo din kasi nga, yun talaga yung ginagawa nila. So, ako, kailangan ko talaga mag-training every day. Yung challenge pa is, since balladeer nga ako before, hindi ako kumakanta ng mga pop songs, gano'n, yung mga mabibilis, like yung mga upbeat na song. So, nag-adjust din ako. So, yung skills ko as a singer, parang nag-back to zero siya. Kasi yung ballad na skills ko, hindi ko siya magagamit
Gamit.
doon. So, kailangan kong aralin lahat. Kailangan kong matuto kumanta ng mga mabibilis na songs. Kailangan kong mag-training everyday para sa sumayaw. So, ayun. Hindi siya madali. Sobrang tagal niya bago ko nasabi sa sarili ko na dancer na ako. Actually, yung katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, yung sa pagiging singer, natural talent. Feeling ko sa dancing din eh. Oo, natututunan siya, pero yung pagiging sobrang magaling na dancer, hindi talaga siya makukuha agad ng non-dancer talaga. Yeah. Like pag
natural
nakita,
na
pitik.
may ibang pitik talaga yung gumawa.
May soft talaga. May limang pitik at soft
Kilala niyo ba yung tinutukoy ko?
Yes.
Pahingi naman ng soft moves at pitik moves.
Yung mga Lima pa yun, di ba?
Dancer ka na.
Limang pitik at soft
Limang pitik at soft moves. Yan.
Maginawa
Natural pitik, yun yung mahirap
Yun yung
talaga.
hinahanap natin.
Yung natural pitik, yun yung hindi mo makukuha agad-agad.
You seek help kina Jello and Nate. Yung parang, uy bro, patulong naman.
Bro, paturo naman ng pitik mo. Nakuha ko yung steps
Nagkano
pero
ka
yung
ba?
pitik mo hindi ko nakuha.
Oh my gosh. So you really started from zero talaga?
Zero talaga. As in, sobrang tigas ng katawan ko na konti na lang kahoy na gano'n.
Gets na gets.
Also a testament na it can be learned pa
kailangan-
rin.
Yeah.
Basta kailangan mo lang talaga siyang tutukan, kailangan mo siyang gawin araw-araw. Kasi muscle memory din naman lahat talaga.
Except for singing.
Yes, muscle memory.
Except for you.
Kakaganon mo. Hindi ka
Yeah, and we can
Yes,
see na
yes.
we worked hard for it naman talaga. Like,
yes.
switching
Thank
from something so different to what you're doing now. And for sure, there were times na nadidrain ka, napapagod ka na din.
Oo
so what
naman.
were the hobbies?
Oo naman.
Oo naman.
So what were the hobbies or things you did outside of music and dancing that
Yeah.
helped you kind of get your groove back?
Ginagawa ko talaga is yung hindi ko ginagawa sa work para like yung playing sports, volleyball, basketball.
Oh, volleyball.
So yung mga bagay na hindi connected sa work, parang syempre malilimutan mo yung ginagawa mo everyday. Pag same kasing ginagawa mo araw-araw, mauubos ka talaga. Madidrain ka, mababurnout ka. So kailangan mo talaga gumawa ng ibang bagay para pang refresh, gano'n. Recently, nag-host na din ako.
Wow.
Ganun. Kaya nasabi ko sa inyo, ako na lang
VJJL.
Okay, so VJJL take over.
VJJL.
So, kumusta naman?
Okay naman.
parang tambay lang.
Pero recently, meron ka pang isa pang pinagkakaabalahan.
Yes, ito favorite
Ano ba
ko
yan?
to.
Kasi, napansin namin on your TikToks, di ba? Your top trending social media content is your comedic side. Yung sumayaw ka ng Chanel, pero
Love,
Joy,
Joy,
Hope.
Hope.
Ganon. Tapos, you're impersonating Coco Martin. Paano ba? Ay. And then, yung mga jokes mo na kailangan mo pang i-explain after. Ang galing. So, paano ba? Saan nanggaling yung side na yun?
Actually, sobrang brain rot ko lang talaga sa social media. Hindi naman ako yung nag-originate ng mga hit. Kumbaga, dahil sobrang hilig ko lang mag-scroll sa TikTok. Yun din kasi talaga yung mga trip kong content since before. Siguro dati natatakot lang akong ilabas yung ganong side kasi feel ko mababash
Image,
ako.
ganun.
Exactly.
Kailangan you're pogi.
Pero naisip ko din na parang hindi naman ako makikilala kung hindi ko ilalabas to. Eto talaga ako, yung kahit nung dati pa sa classroom, ako yung lagi nagpapatawa.
Joker ka talaga.
Voice of the
Class
back.
clown, ganyan. So, boys at the back.
Si Boys at the back pala. So,
May dalang sisi.
Ilang beses na ako napatayo sa nag-face the wall dahil sobrang daldal ko. So,
Okay.
ayun, parang nung na-overcome ko na yung takot ko na baka ma-judge ako dahil ganun ako. Sumobra na siguro ngayon. Sumobra na. Pero iniisip ko pa din naman, like, na wala pa din akong matatamaan na ibang tao, wala akong ma-offend na ibang tao. As long na maipakita ko yung ganong side ko. Kasi, syempre, yung nakikita nila ako pag nagpe-perform, maangas, ganyan, nagpa-pogi. So, gusto ko makita nila pag off-cam, yung kung sino talaga ako.
This person as
Oo.
well.
So, ayun, thankful naman ako na nagte-trending naman yung mga
People in your comments parang, uy, iba na naman yung tama niya.
minsan kine-question na din nila ako kung nasa tamang pag-iisip ko
May,
ba ako.
may mga comments, may galaw siya.
May galaw siya, galaw-gaw.
Pero diba, parang it's good that we see yung mga P-pop boys being authentic with themselves.
Kasi sometimes, di ba, may pressure na kailangan ganito yung stature nito. Kasi
the
P-pop
branding,
siya.
angas lang.
Go.
At dahil sa pagko-content mo na yan, you also met Coco Martin.
Yeah.
Wow.
And apparently, sobrang happy din siya
Akala ko nga.
with your content.
That
So,
is like a million of views also. That's like
Super
viral
trending.
hit
Hindi ko
after
yun
viral hit.
expect talaga yun. Kasi nung una, natatakot pa ako gumawa ng content. Baka mamaya nakikita niya na pala. Tapos baka napipikon na siya, gano'n. Yun, nagkaroon niya ako ng chance ma-meet siya dahil kay Kuya MJ Felipe. Hinila niya ako, tapos dinala niya ako sa dressing room
ginanon
ni
ka.
Sir Coco Martin. Gumanon siya sa akin na gano'n. Tapos hindi niya ata napapanood yung mga contents quiz. Pero sinabi ko sa kanya na, Sir Coco, ginagaya ko po kayo. Kasi sinasabi po nila na kamukha ko daw po kayo. So, pinanindigan ko na po na gayahin kayo. So, ginagawa kayong mga Love, Joy, Hope.
Pero kung magkaka-project ka with
Oo
Coco
nga.
Martin, what will it be?
Double niya.
Double.
Double lang.
Pwede,
Double
kapatid,
lang.
di ba? Pwede
Doble kara.
kapatid.
Anong genre?
Oo nga.
Ako kunyari aside sa
R&B.
action.
R&B.
Tama nga naman, aside sa
Wali.
action.
Kakanta siya.
Actually,
Siyempre, i-action na natin.
action.
Siyempre, or baka gusto niya, ano bang magandang genre?
Heavy drama.
Pwede yung action comedy, ganun.
Pasok,
Ako kasi
pasok.
gusto ko talaga matry yung parang, hindi ko gusto maging bida eh. Yung pangarap ko yung parang sidekick ng bida. Yung lagi,
Like
Parang
lovable
perfect yung
side.
sa'yo.
You're the
Dalawa.
Robin sa Batman. ganun.
parang
Sidekick ni Coco Martin.
Oo, parang
Uy, that would be nice.
pag halimbawa nasa gera sila, ako yung magta-time burst kasi naiihi, gano'n. Wait, naiihi muna ako, gano'n. Yung mga gano'n.
Meron na siyang storyline sa utak niya.
Oo nga,
I
meron na
believe
siya.
parang
I-pitch na yan.
marami pa yan. I believe parang marami pa siyang ideas na yan. Pero di ba, as a funny one naman. Ano ba yung mga favorite trends mo? Parang di ba, saan mo kinukuha yung mga sinasabi mo?
Ano yung screen
Oo
time
nga.
mo?
Yeah.
Bakit
Screen
ganun?
time. Ano
Grabe.
ang thought-process mo pag pumipili ng nakakatawang content?
Hindi ako pumipili eh, kasi mahilig nga lang ako mag-scroll. And siguro yung FYP ko, sobrang malala talaga.
Brain rot.
Brain rot
Brain rot.
talaga.
Pinoy
So,
brain rot.
hindi na ako nag-iisip na content ko. Parang kumbaga kung ano lang yung makita ko. Like, halimbawa yung sa joke, nakita ko lang din yun somewhere. Tapos, tinry ko siya kasi sobrang cringy talaga ng video and gusto kong ganun din yung ma-feel nila pag
Na mag-cringe din sila.
ma-cringe din sila. Pero,
Confirm naman.
yung ending, nakakatawa pa rin.
Yeah,
Yung
yes,
ganun.
Ano sa tingin mo yung pinaka-cringe na nagawa mong content so far?
Oh, in your
Pinaka-cringe.
opinion.
Siguro yun na, yung
Yung mga
nag-joke
jokes
ako,
lang.
yung nag-explain
That you
ng joke. Kasi, well, sa akin nakakatawa siya.
Yeah.
Pero
Yes.
sa ibang tao kasi, like yung hindi pa alam yung reference.
Mm.
Makikringe talaga. Kasi, bakit mo kailangan i-explain yung joke,
Yeah.
di ba?
Tapos sobrang simple
sure.
lang ng
Oo,
joke.
sobrang simple. Tsaka gets mo na, tapos i-explain mo pa. So, ayun, feeling ko yun. Parang, nirisk ko yung image ko doon para... Pero nung dulo naman, nagets naman nila kasi nag-trending na din naman yung...
Ito successful. Super favorite ko pag dumadaan yung reels mo sa FYP ko. Ano na naman to?
Ayun,
Ano na naman to?
ang feel ay, ayun na naman siya.
Ayun na naman siya.
Super-
Hindi na naman
super
siya
lakas
uminom
na
ng
naman
gamot.
siya eh.
Ganun pa naman yun. The more you watch it, mas lalo pang lalabas si JL sa phone niyo.
Pero kasi,
Totoo.
tama yung sinabi niyo, very referential kasi parang Gen Z humor in general.
Actually
very
ngayon,
referential.
referential yung
diba, like,
humor.
Oo.
Like
Lagi
parang
may
kay
reference.
Sophie Prime, di ba?
Context.
Lahat
diba?
ng ano niya, puro may reference.
But you know, we've been laughing non-stop and we want to get to a more serious side of JL naman. BGYO has always been about representing the Philippines on the world stage. So JL, what is one dream stage or international city that you might want to perform in the future?
Actually, hindi, siguro yung international, like after namin makapag-perform sa Philippine Arena. Syempre, di ba, yun yung una mong goal na makapag-perform sa pinakamalaking arena dito sa Philippines. So yun, after nun, syempre, gusto namin mag-concert, mag-tour around the world. So yun muna yung Philippine Arena.
Philippine Arena.
And that would happen talaga. Kasi
True.
parang
Yes.
yung mga aces nyo, hindi lang sila here in the
Manifest.
Philippines. You
Yeah,
have
all around
fans
the
all
world.
around
And
the
people even
world.
fly to come here
Totoo.
and watch your
Right.
concert.
Doon
So,
kami, doon kami nagugulat minsan, like, syempre pag lilipad kami sa ibang bansa, i-expect na namin na wala namang aces. Tapos paglabas namin ng airport, may aces na meron pang mga tarpaulin, tapos may mga gifts. So magugulat ka na lang na, kahit pala sa ibang bansa, ang daming
Umaabot na kayo
sumusuporta
doon.
sa
Appreciated globally. I
Yeah.
love it for
Nakakatuwa.
you guys.
so we're manifesting Philippine
Yes,
Arena. More
manifesting.
space for international aces to come here in the
Yes,
Philippines.
tama.
Pero we are not yet done with you. Pero hindi na to interview style.
Di pa pala tapos
We're
sa
not
akin.
Hindi pa.
Sige, hanggang
So
mamaya
from
tayo
serious,
dito.
we're back to not serious. Not serious.
Not serious. Not so serious.
Not so serious. Okay, so this is a quick fire question round. So you have to answer top of mind lang. You can explain
Okay.
if you want, pero quick
Mabilis lang
lang. Mabilisan lang. Okay. So the first question is, what's the one song you can always hit the high note on? Confident ka?
kahit kailan yung
Sample.
manonood.
Mabilis.
Game na agad. Quick fire.
Game na agad.
Yun na agad.
Ano yung quick fire?
Sasamahan pa kita hanggang sa huli.
Damn!
Confident.
Nice!
You will
Okay,
always
okay. Next
Lovely.
question. Rapid. As one of the big brothers in BGYO, who is the naughtiest member?
Siyempre, yung bunso, si Nate. Si Nate talaga yung pinakapasaway. Like, ang hilig mang asar.
What's your go-to heartbreaking karaoke song?
Hanggang kailan? By Michael Pangilinan.
Hanggang kailan?
Okay, sample naman.
Sample din ba?
Yes, of course.
Hanggang kailan aasa? Hanggang kailan magdurusa? Hanggang kailan? Hanggang kailan?
Grabe. This is why they call you mapanakit eh.
Ano dadaanan mo?
Ano talaga yun? Okay, this one. If you could have a duet with any OPM legend, who would it be? And why?
Siyempre, lalayo pa ba Miss Regine Velasquez?
Exactly.
The GOAT.
Okay, and last but not the least, if you weren't a P-pop idol, would you be a professional basketball player or a volleyball superstar?
Volleyball superstar.
Yung gusto ko eh. Oh, by the way, I'm also a volleyball player.
Volleyball
Yes,
player.
yes,
ba?
yes.
At dahil dyan, mag-volleyball na kayo.
Oh,
Dahil dyan, tara na.
tayo.
Bakit na lang kayo?
Siguro yun, kasi dati talaga volleyball talaga yung buhay ko bago mag-start sa industry.
But JL, actually, hindi pa rin tayo nagtatapos dito. Kung pagod ka na, hindi pwede. So we are going on to the next segment that we know and love, the 7 rings.
And here on 7 Rings, simple lang yung challenge. You will call 3 of your celebrity friends and within 7 rings, they have to answer. So this is a test
Seven
of
rings.
friendship.
Test of friendship,
Reliability.
chemistry,
Oh my God.
Yes.
trust.
Everything. And if they won't answer,
Cut off na.
Easy.
Okay. Sana.
Sana sumagot. Okay, tell us when you're ready. And game na.
Or pwede rin the mentality is hahanap siya nung hindi talaga sasagot kasi gusto niyang i-cut off yan.
Ay,
So yun pala yun.
set up pala siya. Okay, sino ba? Sino mo nang tatawagan
Go,
natin?
hanap ka muna.
Ito na. Si Nate.
Okay.
Okay,
Three,
first
two,
person,
one.
Nate.
First person to call.
Si Nate.
Okay, si Nate.
Loudspeaker.
Speaker.
Sumagot ka.
One. Ipagbabanta.
Hindi mo sasagutin.
Two rings!
Hi! Hi!
What's with the Mickey Mouse voice?
Nasaan ka?
Nasa bahay, nasa bed.
Ay,
Ready to sleep na
Wow.
siya.
Netflix.
Ay,
Wow.
he knows, he
Jen Mix
knows.
daw.
ay paano mo nalaman na nandito ako?
Alam ko yung set na yan eh.
Okay, bye-bye na.
Hi, Dad.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Nate!
Bye, Nate.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
Within two
so yeah, we
rings.
got Nate with 2 rings.
Okay, Nate, safe.
Okay,
Still
Safe
part.
from FO.
Oh,
Next.
next one.
Next person.
si Jello.
Okay. Ultimate test ng BGYO pala to.
Hello? One ring lang. Hi.
Bilis na ba sumagot na itong mga to?
Bakit ang hina ng signal mo? Naka-FB10 ka ba?
Specific.
Nasaan ka?
Ito nasa ELG.
Nasa ABS din pala siya.
We're in the same
Hi
boat.
ka naman.
Hi, Jello.
Welcome to the Mix Now Studio, medyo.
Yes. Say hi to Jen Mix. Hi ka.
Hello guys.
Medyo delayed ang signal.
Bye-bye.
Oh, busy.
See you.
Wow.
The music with Mix.
Feel the music
Gumawa
with
siya
Mix
ng bagong
now.
taglines.
Repas Pin, I love it.
Thank you for the
so
new
much.
Bye.
tagline. Okay.
Wala nang explain.
Yeah.
Talagang alam na nila eh. Kasi,
So, touring si Nate.
Yes,
and
gamay
they've
na.
been here kasi.
Of course,
Yeah.
yes.
They know
That's
the
why-
drill.
Sino ba next ko
And
tatawagan?
last but not the least,
Maganda sana kung hindi BGYO.
Okay, eto.
but so
Tawagan
far
ko
we
si-
have Nate with 2 rings, Jello with 1 ring only, and our last one is...
Tawagan ko si Bong Gonzales. If kilala.
Okay.
Is it, di ba volleyball player din
Oo.
yan? Okay, yes.
Social media personality.
Oo.
no?
Tingnan natin kung sasagot siya. 1,
2.
3,
Oh, shucks.
4,
Ayan na nga. Ayan na nga.
5.
Ayan na, may
Sumagot
ma-FO
ka.
pa ha.
One more chance.
Oh.
Bong, pag nakita mo to,
Oh, Gonzales.
FO na.
Wala na.
FO na kayo, Jay.
Oh, don't be surprised if you're blocked.
Then, tandaan mo tong araw na to.
Friend.
Joke lang.
Paano ba kayo
Baka
naging
busy
friends?
siya, baka nasa taping.
Oo nga.
Paano kayo naging friends ba?
Sa volleyball din. Pero si Bong kasi, nanonood na siya like ng BGYO before. So, doon ko siya unang na-meet. Pero naging close kami sa volleyball.
Ah, okay.
Fan and a friend and player.
So,
Are you usually a caller talaga sa friends mo?
Oo.
Or texter?
A caller? Akala ko.
siguro,
Ano ba?
Caller?
Are you a caller?
Usually a caller.
Texter.
Texter ako. Kasi, hindi ako mahilig tumawag talaga.
Oh, so
Parang hindi naman, parang ayoko lang i-invade yung yung
Gets.
ay, baka hindi sila
time.
ready, gano'n.
Diba? Baka hindi sila ready. So, magme-message muna ako bago tumawag din.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
We
Tama
stand a
yun. We
gentleman.
appreciate those people.
Yes.
At saka, baka ganun din yung reason ni Bong. Wow, binigyan ng benefit of the doubt. Sige, para hindi kayo mag-FO.
We're gonna
Sige.
defend all of their friends on here. But yeah, thank you for calling your friends. Thank you sa friends mo for answering as well. We
Except
can show-
Bong.
Except
Joke, Bong. Pero at least,
Kaka-defend lang namin sa kanya.
Kakadepend lang.
Kakadepend.
Well,
We
at least
need
you got
that.
2 out
Baka
of 3.
nasa taping.
True, 2 out of 3. So baka later he might call back or ask you why you called. Since you're not much of a caller, so baka ma-curious siya. But for now, we are ending the 7-ring segment, at least on a semi-high note. And now we
high
want,
note.
semi lang.
Siya yun
Kasi
eh,
two
the
out of
man
three.
behind.
The high note that you will sing later. But for now, we want to get to know you a little bit more, but through music videos naman. So, this is JL's ultimate BGYO music video.
Alright, I think this would be easy. At least for us na BJs.
But
Kasi,
for me.
safe. No, hindi. Kasi papahirapan ka namin. Na-joke lang. Because we, here in the JL's Ultimate BGYO music video, we're going to let you choose between 2 BGYO music videos. Tapos, pili ka lang doon. Hanggang sa malaman natin kung ano yung ultimate BGYO music video mo.
Okay.
Okay,
Game.
are you ready?
Red.
Okay, let's go. The Light versus He's Into Her.
He's into her.
Ay, bakit
Why?
He's Into Her?
Wala. Siguro, ang ganda lang kasi nung music video na yun. For me, kasi yun yung first na may mga graphics na, yung may mga libro na lumilipad. Tapos ang ganda din ng storyline nung music video. So, pero maganda din yung The Light.
Of course.
Kasi
We love
lady
all
song
that.
namin yun eh.
Correct.
Okay.
Next up, he's into her or the baddest.
The Baddest.
Okay, bakit naman?
The baddest of them all.
The Baddest. Kasi sobrang angas nung music video na to. As in, meron din tong storyline. Tapos, meron kaming special guest, which is si Miss Liza Soberano.
Wow.
Thank you.
The baddest.
Ay, sorry.
Mali na.
Ay, hindi pala, sorry.
Ikaw pala yun.
Ikaw pala yun.
Hindi ko nakilala.
Okay. The baddest or tumitigil ang mundo?
The Baddest.
Wow, the
Ako
baddest
yung
pa
nalungkot,
din.
tumitigil ang mundo
The
yung
baddest
favorite ko
bias.
eh. Okay. Ay, sige.
Why
Bakit?
ulit?
Hindi,
Kasi
sa
nandun si Miss Liza
Hindi,
Soberano.
sa tumitigil ang mundo, bakit? Bakit?
Maganda. Siguro sa music video, mas nagagandaan ako sa The Baddest. Pero sa song, tumitigil ang mundo.
Okay. Favorite ko kasi yung tumitigil ang mundo.
Tama.
Biased pala to. The baddest or magnet?
The Baddest.
Oh, the baddest pa
grabe,
din.
winning champ pa
Okay,
din.
sige ito.
Wow.
The Baddest versus Patintero.
The Baddest.
Wow.
Recurring
solid,
reason.
Solid
Okay.
ka.
The baddest or trash?
The Baddest.
Talaga?
Okay, I think we're getting
The
close to an
baddest
answer.
or divine?
The Baddest.
Wow, parang nakakatalo.
talaga.
Ano kaya? Ano kaya?
Bakit hindi naman sa... Ay, sorry. Napapaisip ko.
Yung mga inner thoughts mo. Yung mga inner thoughts mo. Ano?
Sige. The Baddest versus All These Ladies.
Oh.
This is hard.
I like the
This is
song.
hard
I
na.
like the song.
Okay lang, personal
All these
preference.
ladies.
Ay,
All these ladies. Okay, why? What was the
Natalo.
I would agree.
decision?
Siguro yung nagustuhan ko sa All These Ladies music video is yung simplicity nung nung mismong yung concept din. Kasi dito parang mas pinakita lang namin yung like kung sino na kami now as BGYO, like yung mature era, ganun. So, ayun, kaya feel ko mas gusto ko ngayon yung All These Ladies.
Okay.
No questions.
No questions,
No
Your
further
Honor.
comments.
Okay, All These Ladies or Dance With Me.
Oh,
That's a really good music video also.
actually. Pero All These Ladies pa din.
Right,
Okay. All right, and for the last one,
Siyempre.
ano na?
Siyempre.
All These Ladies or Fresh.
All These Ladies pa din.
Wow! Okay.
Talagang nilabanan niya yung Fresh. Pero kasi, let's talk about Fresh muna.
Yes.
Kasi ito yung
Yes.
latest release, no?
Yeah, and the
Ang
way you
angas
described
talaga eh.
Fresh and All These Ladies are kind of similar na parang may pinapakita mo kung sino kaya, di ba?
That's true.
Siguro yung fresh, like sobrang bago siya sa amin, like when it comes to sa lahat ng yung song, yung music video, parang yung bagong side, fresh side ng BGYO to. So, feel ko lang siguro sa preference ko, mas gusto ko lang yung All These Ladies, pero sobrang ganda din ng music video ng Fresh.
True. Even the promotional materials as
Yes,
well. But I
sobrang
wanna ask,
kakaiba dun sa mga
Diba?
promotion namin
even with the
before.
videos sa parking and
Yes.
all the
Mm.
dances, that's
Yeah,
really
yeah.
cute. I wanna ask, what's your favorite part about filming the Fresh music video since it's new?
Sumasayaw kami with backgrounds na yung mga naka-all white na mga people. Tapos, para siyang may pagka-weird na na yung itsura niya. Pero ang angas niya tignan. So, yan. Yun yung pinaka-favorite shot ko dun sa music video.
And ibang angas din kasi siguro because it's Tagalog.
Oh,
Yes.
Tagalog.
Ibang iba
Yes.
yung
Right.
nabigay niyang angas. And with that, guys, JL's ultimate music video of BGYO is All These Ladies.
got me
Pero
going.
hindi tayo ang mag-stop.
Kaya pala sinasabi niya ako yung may hirapan.
Well, hindi ka
Kayo
naman
yung
ata
pasayawin
mahirapan
sa-
dito.
Take the stage.
Yes, the stage is yours.
Okay, game. All these ladies got me going crazy, don't know what to do. All these ladies, please somebody save me, feel it too. So baby, 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 please. You got me, got me, got me, got me on my knees. All these ladies got me going crazy, don't know what to do. Don't know what to do.
Solo stage, we wanna know and we wanna find out who are Gen Mix faves, diba? Who are currently owning the airwaves. It's the chart that doesn't lie. It's time for the
Mix Daily Top 10. And there you have it, Gen Mix. Those were the 10 hottest music videos in our Mix Daily Top 10. But remember, our daily chart is not set in stone. And if you want your favorites to dominate the charts, you've got to make some noise.
So head on over to our official voting site, mix.global/vote. And of course, vote for your idols, including BGYO Aces. Keep the energy high and the standards higher. And Gen Mix, keep voting like your fandom depends on it. And just like every day, the everyday Gen Mix way, keep it loud.
That is so right. The countdown is complete but not our time with BGYO.
Yes!
Hindi pa tapos ko.
Mamaya pa tayo dito.
Yes,
Ending
it's not
ready
yet the
talaga.
end. Kasi ito na ang ating
Endgame! Alright, Gen Mix, now that we know that BGYOJL also plays volleyball, we're gonna put his skills to the test with this endgame series of Oh My Volley. So JL, what you're gonna do lang is we're gonna give you a couple of tasks, and while doing that, you're gonna self-volley. Siyempre magaling ka na dyan. So, are you ready?
Yes,
Game!
Ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, coach.
Yes, coach. Game pala to. Okay. So for your first task, self-volley while commentating a volleyball game. Ready?
Commentating?
Ikaw na bahala dyan.
skills
Yes,
and volleyball
commentating and playing.
Your own game. Commentating your own game.
Your own game.
Bakit ganito yung ball? What a spike! JL, spike the ball! Boogs!
Boogs. JL with the max point. Okay. Na-survive. That's our first set.
JL, pinasa kay JL.
Yes.
JL, pinalo! Outside!
As you know, volleyball has 3 sets.
Thank you.
Yes.
So for the second set, what is JL going to
Okay, for the second set, self-volley while reciting lines from Tabing Ilog, the musical.
do?
Ayun. Acting
Recite lang, hindi ka
Yeah.
kanta. Bakit ang sarap-sarap mong mahalin? Kapag ika'y ngumingiti, ako'y napapangiti na rin. Pag uulan, aawitin mo ang ulap. Isasalin ko sa nagbabagang araw. Naintindihan niyo ba?
Nice! Grabe yun!
Concentration.
Diba? Exactly.
Looking at the ball.
Achieve.
Parang weird pag nirecite, pero pag sa kanta, magigits mo
Exactly.
yung lines. Sobrang lalim.
Oh, tama. Congrats, you got the second
Congrats,
set.
yes.
Second set,
Last,
third set
third
na.
and final set, okay? You have to self-volley while singing the chorus of Fresh.
5, 6. Tingnan mo kung paano madala niya up to fresh. Wait lang.
Okay, go. Okay.
24/7 lagi swabe ang dating, yeah, up to fresh. Lahat nakatingin kahit saan magpunta. Ang kapansin di madupdip ka. 24/7 lagi swabe ang dating, yeah, sobrang fresh.
Let's go! Nice one, JL! Muntik na malaglag, pero nakawa mo pa din.
Belong to JL.
Dahil dyan, si Ozzy naman.
Wow.
Yes!
Ano ba to?
Ozzy. And you have to sing also.
Yung fresh din.
You sing for me, I don't know the lyrics to that song.
Iba na lang, ano.
Favorite.
Habang binabasa.
These ladies, we got me going crazy, don't know what to do. Oh, JL, spike! Eh!
And they killed the ball!
Sa gilid naman lang.
Dunk.
As a fan lang.
Pala. But yes, ang galing.
Correct. Congratulations,
Congrats,
JL!
JL!
Yeah.
For winning all 3 sets.
Yes, thank you for being so game. Ang dami namin pinagawa sa'yo, but you successfully executed everything.
At ang dami naming natutunan sa'yo.
Personality.
Personality.
True. So thank you so much for giving us your time. So this is your moment
so much.
to thank the Aces and Gen Mix, and of course, update us on what's going on with BGYO.
Yes, thank you Gen Mix for having me here. Siyempre, sobrang saya ko kasi naipakita ko na naman yung side ko na ewan ko kung dapat ko ba itong ipakita, pero masaya naman ako dahil nasabi ko yung mga gusto ko sabihin. Pero thank you Gen Mix, and syempre sa Aces, thank you so much sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa amin at sa pag-stream ng mga songs namin every day at sa pagpupuyat nyo sa amin. And ayun, stream nyo lang yung bago naming single na Fresh sa lahat ng streaming platforms. At yung music video din at yung dance practice na release na sa YouTube account namin, isearch nyo lang BGYO Official. Thank you so much.
I love it.
Of course. And Gen Mix, make sure you are following the movement. Catch our daily episodes right here at the Mix Global YouTube channel, and of course, the Mix Cable channel. And also, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to like and share this video.
And Gen Mix, what was your favorite moments with our headliner today? Always let us know in the comment section and let's keep the conversation going. I am VJ Crane.
I'm VJ Ozzy.
And I am VJ Aya, together with our headliner, BGYOJ. Reminding you all na dapat 24/7 laging swabe ang dating.
Yes, sobrang fresh.
Fresh.
Right, stay fresh, Gen Mix. This is your ultimate Gen Mix experience. This is Mix Now!
It's a wrap!
Okay.